Hello, children. Are you ready? Let's begin. My pet. Let's read, children. I have a cute pet named Beanie. Let's repeat, children. I have a cute pet named Beanie. She's a fluffy brown puppy with bright blue eyes. Let's repeat. She's a fluffy brown puppy with bright blue eyes. Beanie loves to play hide and seek and cuddle during bedtime. Let's repeat, children. Beanie loves to play hide and seek and cuddle during bedtime. Sometimes she even chases his tail in circles. Let's repeat. Sometimes she even chases his tail in circles. When I'm sad, Beanie curls up next to me, purring like a tiny mother. Let's repeat. When I'm sad, Beanie curls up next to me, purring like a tiny mother. She's my best friend, and I love her very much. Let's repeat. She's my best friend, and I love her very much. Good job, children!